Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn German with Soumya. In today's lesson we will do some other topics for example and some revision of verben and personal pronouns. So let's start with revision verben and personal pronomen. So verben und personal pronomen. So Verb sind spielen means to play and lesen means to read. So ich, du, personal pronouns, es, sie, wir, ihr, sie, and in plural form sie. Ihr is you and sie is you, and in plural form sie, they. So ich spiele, du spielst, es, sie spiel, wir spielen, ihr spielst, ihr spielst, sie spielen, sie spielen. Ich lese, du liest, sie liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen, sie in plural form lesen. So ich spiele, du spielst, sie spielt, wir spielen, ihr spielt, sie spielen, sie spielen. So in lesen, ich lese, du liest, sie liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen, sie lesen. So these are the verbal and personal pronoun which we had learned in our previous video. So you can we will start it and recall it again. Ich spiele, du spielst, sie spielt, wir spielen, ihr spielt, sie spielen, sie spielen, in plural form sie. Ich lese, du liest, sie liest, wir lest, ihr lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen, sie lesen. So these are the verb and personal pronouns. So we go it further. So next we start with some articles in German. For example, in English we can pronounce it zum Beispiel, for example, football. So the footballs. But in German it is different for other words. So let's get started. Article. In German it is articles, but in English it is articles, but in German how to pronounce is it Artikel. 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 So articles are in feminine, masculine, neutrum, and in plural. Means female, male, neutral, and in plural. So for example, feminine, For example, feminine, um, the start. The start means the state, and masculine, their Fußball means the football, and in Neutrum, das, and in Neutrum, das, hobby, the hobby, and in plural, the Bücher. There are so many books, so we can call it Bücher, but if there is a one book, then we call it Buch. So many books. Bücher, and one book, only one book, we can call it Buch. So the articles in English is the, but in German it is in feminine, masculine, neutrum, and plural. Die, der, das, die. So we can revise it again. In feminine, the start, the state. Feminine, the start, the state. In masculine, der Fußball, the football. In neutrum, das Hobby, the hobby. And in plural, the Bücher, the books. If there is so many books, then the Bücher. If it is only a one book, then we call it book. So these are the articles, and further we will learn it in further lessons. So next. So next we will learn days. For example, in English, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But in German, how to pronounce it? Days. Sonntag. Sonntag means Sunday. Sonntag means Sunday, and Montag means Monday. Dienstag means Tuesday. Mittwoch means Wednesday. And Donnerstag means Thursday. And Freitag means Friday. And Saturday is Samstag. Saturday. So let's do it again, a revision. Sonntag. Sonntag means Sunday. Sonntag, Sunday. Montag. Montag means Monday. Montag, Monday. Dienstag. Dienstag means Tuesday. Dienstag means Tuesday. Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Mittwoch means Wednesday. Donnerstag. Donnerstag means Thursday. Donnerstag means Thursday. Freitag. Freitag means Friday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag. Samstag means Saturday. So Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. So these are the days how to pronounce it in German. So next. Next we will do some Ja, Nein Frage means yes or no questions. For example, Ja und Nein Frage means yes or no questions. For example, we will do it with dialogues of two people when two people converse with each other. For example, gehen wir ins Kino. Gehen wir ins Kino means let's go to the cinema. Let's go to the cinema. Gehen wir ins Kino. So other person can say ja gerne. Ja gerne means yes gladly. Wann? When we can go. For example, am Mittwoch. So ja gerne is ja Frage. So nine Frage is, so nine is how to make a negative sentence. Am Mittwoch nein, nee oder nein. Das geht leider nicht. Das geht leider nicht means no, unfortunately that doesn't work. So am Dienstag, on Tuesday, ja, super, yes, great. So gehen wir ins Kino. Let's go to the cinema. Ja, gerne. Yes, great. But when? Wann? Am Mittwoch. On Wednesday. Nee, nein, das geht leider nicht. No, unfortunately, that doesn't work. So am Dienstag, on Wednesday, on Tuesday. Ja, super, that's great. We can go on Tuesday. Wir können am Dienstag gehen ins Kino. So these are the dialogues of two persons, conversations of a two person when two person converse with each other. So this is very simple if you learn it on daily basis. So these are the Ja Nein Frage. So next. So next is ins Restaurant, ins Schwimmbad zum Beispiel. Gehen wir ins Restaurant. Can we go to the restaurant? Let's go to the restaurant. So, ja oder nein. We can answer it as ja oder nein. So, ins Restaurant zum Beispiel. Further examples. Ins Restaurant, ins Fußballstadion. Fußballstadion means football stadium. Fußballstadion, in Schwimmbad, in swimming pool, ins Kino, in Cinema, ins Café, in Cafe und so weiter. So these are the common sentences of a ja nein frage and how to converse it with each other. So these sentences are very simple when we learn it on daily basis. So these are the common ja nein frage. So that's it for today's lesson. So please like and subscribe my channel if you are new here, and so we can learn it further together, other lessons of A1 level. Auf Wiedersehen.